Ako po si Lebril Jessa as of February 12, 2026. 1 year and 5 months na po ako dito. Attendance summary, December 25, late ko is 17, undertime ko is 2, IR ko is 3, EVR is 6. January 2026, late is 21, IR 4, EVR 3. February 2026, late is 8, suspension 5, IR isa, EVR 2. Ang pinakamataas kong late ay noong January 2026, 21, undertime noong December 2025, 2, at unauthorized absent ay wala. Sales, November 2025, actual amount is 28 as November 2025, actual amount is 68,460, transaction count of 110. December 2025 is 56,628, transaction count of 39. And January 2026, 98,626, transaction count of 54. Ang highest sales ko ay noong January 2026 with transaction count of 54. Bulk order last month, total count is 2, total amount of 33,005. Last month bulk order ko ay may 2 with total amount of 33,005 pesos. EVR last 3 months. Noong December po, short on cash count, isa. Skipping series on receipt, isa. Then, absent without permission, isa. Incomplete fill out of sales form, isa. Noong January po is improper use of system, isa. Then, incomplete fill out of receipt, isa. EVR last 3 months, December, not receiving SOD, SRD on dashboard. Noong January is neglect of duty, isa. Then, February is accepting payment without sales form suspension, isa. Wrong process of physical inventory, isa. Bumabang EVR ko last month ng isa. Ang EVR ko ay almost about fill of forms. Maiiwasan ko siya, bali doblehin po yung pag-check ng form. Then, before po mag-receive ng pera is kailangan may kasama pong form. Active IR ko isa, IR 15264, regarding to CCTV video po. May IR pending po akong isa, bali overdue po siya na isa, magagawa ito, bali suspension po ako ng 3 days po. Co-workers review, average possible 2.39. Poor is font quality 1.83. Possible is dependability 2.29, product knowledge is 2.43, sales skills is 2.43, work quantity is 2.57, then work quality is 2.71, communication is 2.71, solution oriented is 2.14, flexibility is 2.43, and team player is 2.29. Sa co-worker review ko ay may average na 2.39, good 3, possible of 7. May improve ko po ang lahat ng nabanggit. Lahat po ng nabanggit ay i-improve ko para rin po sa aking sarili at para rin po maiwasan yung madalas ko pong pagkakamali. Positive comment sa akin ay problem solver 2, maayos na workplace 3, good service provider 5, masaya kasama 5, masinop 2, masipag 2, disiplinado 4, focus sa trabaho 2. For improve bali for kailangan ko po improve yung bali lagi po kasi akong late. Good comment po sa akin is maaasahan sa mga reports, masipag, iwasan lang yung pagpasok ng late, be on time. Attendance ang problema at biglang pag-absent, pero pagdating naman sa trabaho, maayos at malinis, masaya naman. Yung general na comment po sa akin is yung late po. Ang dapat ko i-improve sa akin po is pagpasok po ng maaga. Then, based po sa lahat ng nabasa ko is na-challenge po ako sa lahat ng nabanggit po tungkol sa akin. Yun po.